Whoa! Oh my god! Woo! So I searched the internet and I found this air fryer, 8 liters from AliExpress. Let's unbox it. Big bada boom. I could say this is a substantial device. Exactly, cool. On the back, we will have vents, power cable, more vents, rubber feet. I guess how much power does this have? That's 1.8, well, 1800, that's what it is. And it says do not immerse in water. Of course not. All right, what do we have? For meat, shrimps, fish, all kinds of action. And there's also, okay, I already cleaned it because there's a little bit of water in it. So I've cleaned it. You have to clean it. And I already use it. You know, it's the power of the internet. And yeah, 8 liters. That's looks good. Looks big and juicy. There's a little spring, and it's fairly simple. See? Simple. Vegetables, frozen vegetables, Hortex. Oh, oops. This will be shrimp. It's gone. I like the windows. Cool. We got fish, family fish. And there it is. It looks cool and smells. Kielbasa. It feels like in the grill. Like it was grilled. Sheraton. Fries. They look good to me. A little crisp, but very spicy. There's a lot of spice on them. Oh, pretty good. Great. And the ultimate test, meat. Well, it says meat on there, you see at the very end, so I don't think this is going to work, but let's try. Right, so the time is up. Well, it looks good. Well, I could say it's a medium raw. So we do have a little bit of blood, you see. Oh, much better. Much better. Weird. It tastes different than like from the boiled. It's different, like a bit, I must say, a bit slimy. And now you know, it wasn't cooked, it wasn't boiled, it was fresh air, clean, and I like it. Link in the description. See you next video.